Welcome to TAC Tips. This series showcases different tips and tricks to help improve your Chromebook experience. Today's TAC tip is how to move your apps to your shelf. This is important so then you can easily access your apps to improve your Chromebook experience. Sorry. Basically, what you want to do is you want to click on this top left, like circle up here, wherever you're wherever your hotbar is, and you want to grab an app. I'm going to use Apple TV as an example, and I'm going to move it over here, and it is just on my shelf. So whenever I want to watch my shows on Apple TV, just click on it, it's ready. Alright, thanks for watching. Come back next week for more TAC tips from your TAC crew.